UDidiza uqoke ithimba elizobandakanya ikomidi lamaphoyisa, ezobulungiswa, elokuthuthukiswa komthethosisekelo nezobunhloli ukuthi acubungule kabanzi izinsolo ezenziwe umkhwanazi ngomchunu kanye nokuphatha kwakhe uphiko lwamaphoyisa bese libikela iPhalamende. Usomlomo wePhalamende usichithile isicelo samaqembu amabili ePhalamende sokuthi isishayamthetho sibhunge ngalezi zinsolo ngelithi asinabo ubufakazi obuphathekayo okwamanje.
A lot of shocking allegations were made, and it mixes up several different departments. It's not only a police matter, it's not only an MPA matter or even an intelligence matter. So a lot of lines are crossed, and therefore the different committees playing their role.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uFani Masemola ukuphikile ukuthi nguyena owagunyaza ukuthi kuvalwe ithimba elaliphenya ngokubulawa koSombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal.
I'm sure you have not seen any letter that I've signed to close the unit. I have not signed it, and I don't think anybody have ever seen a letter where I've signed off the closure of the unit.
uMasimola uthi sekuqiniswe ezokuphepha zikaMkhwanazi njengoba esethole izinsongo zokubulawa.
In terms of physical protection, you know that, as I said, he's been getting threats to his life in that province. We have beefed up his security, but he won't be persecuted. From my side, surely there will be no persecution of any member of South African Police Service, not only him, but anyone.
Usihlalo wekomidi lamaphoyisa ePhalamende uIan Cameron utshele iPhalamende ukuthi umchunu wakuphika ukuthi uyamazi uBrown Mogotsi njengomngani wakhe ePhalamende ezinyangeni ezintathu ezedlule. Kodwa ke estatimendeni asikhiphile umchunu uvumile ukuthi uyamazi lo somabhizinisi njengomngani.
I got somebody insisting that there's somebody who's going around saying he works with me wherever I am, he is there. And I said, show me the face. And it got to a point where he showed me the face and I told him, I don't know this person.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uthi benza konke okusemandleni uqinisekisa ukuthi sibuyiselwa ngokusheshsha isithunzi samaphoyisa kulandela lezi zinsolo nokuthi umphakathi uthembe umbutho.